How to add processing fee on Square. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to add processing fee on Square. First, log into your Square account, then go to the dashboard. On the left side of the screen, scroll down and click Settings. Then, in here, click Account and Settings. Under Account and Settings, click Payments. Under Payments, click Service Charges. Then, click Create Service Charges. Here, give it a name. Choose the amount. You can choose if it is percentage, variable amount, and variable percentage. Then, type in the amount. Set the locations, the sales taxes, and then click Save. And that's it. You have successfully added processing fee. In here, this works for service charges, shipping fees, or pass-through fees. So now, you know how to add processing fee on Square. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.